I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Telluride windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the wipers are in the service position, if applicable. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into place. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging the windshield. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally spring back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. Installing the new blade is just as simple. Take your new wiper blade and slide its connector onto the J-hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Double-check that they are seated properly and move freely. Finally, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they clear the glass smoothly and without streaking or noise. This confirms a successful installation and better visibility for your drives. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.